Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2238 indicates a low voltage condition in the air-fuel ratio AF sensor 1 circuit. The AF sensor plays a key role in measuring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases, which helps the engine control unit ECU determine the optimal air-fuel mixture for combustion. It is located upstream of the catalytic converter, attached to the exhaust system. Proper functioning of this sensor is crucial, as it directly impacts engine efficiency, emissions control, and overall vehicle performance. A low voltage signal suggests that the sensor may not be communicating effectively with the engine control module, ECM, or that there is an issue in the wiring. Correct diagnosis and repair are essential to restore the vehicle's functionality and compliance with emissions regulations. The error P2238 encapsulates issues related to the air-fuel ratio AF sensor 1 circuit, specifically highlighting a low voltage situation. The AF sensor operates by assessing the oxygen content in the exhaust gases and sends this information to the engine control module, ECM, to regulate the air-fuel mixture. This sensor is strategically positioned before the catalytic converter to ensure accurate readings for optimizing combustion. Located on the vehicle's exhaust system, it's vital for maintaining engine efficiency and reducing harmful emissions. If the circuit voltage is low, it may indicate sensor failure or wiring problems. Therefore, understanding the role and location of the AF sensor is crucial for effectively diagnosing and addressing the P2238 code. The potential causes for the P2238 error code can vary, and understanding them can lead to effective troubleshooting. One common cause is a short circuit in the wiring between the AF sensor and the engine control module, ECM. This may lead to incorrect voltage readings. Another likely culprit is a faulty AF sensor itself, which might be incapable of providing reliable voltage signals due to internal damage. Additionally, poor connections or loose terminals at either the AF sensor or the ECM can disrupt the signal flow and create low voltage conditions. Investigating these possible causes in a systematic manner is essential for correctly diagnosing the issue. By understanding these factors, mechanics can efficiently tackle the P2238 code and restore the vehicle's performance. Identifying symptoms associated with DTC P2238 can aid in pinpointing the issue effectively. A primary indicator is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard. This light serves as a warning that something is amiss within the engine monitoring systems. In addition to the CEL, drivers may notice a decline in fuel economy, as a malfunctioning AF sensor can lead to improper fuel-air mix concentrations, causing the engine to use more fuel than necessary. Furthermore, rough engine performance may occur, manifesting as hesitation or stalling, particularly during acceleration. These symptoms collectively highlight the need for addressing the underlying problem associated with the AF sensor circuit. Understanding these signs enables timely intervention, which is critical for maintaining vehicle efficiency. The first troubleshooting step in addressing the P2238 error involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, labeled 2. This step is critical as it powers the vehicle's diagnostic systems, allowing for communication with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Following this, it's essential to clear the DTC using the HDS, which resets the system and provides a fresh slate for diagnostics. After clearing, checking for pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS is the next logical move. If DTC P2238 is indicated again, it suggests a persistent issue that needs further investigation. Conversely, if it does not appear, the problem may be intermittent, prompting a review of potential wiring issues or loose connections. Each of these steps builds on the necessary actions to accurately diagnose the underlying problem. After determining that DTC P2238 persists, the next troubleshooting step requires turning the ignition switch to the lock position, indicated as 0. This action ensures that the vehicle's diagnostic systems are safely disabled before proceeding to perform additional checks. The next step involves jumping the SCS line using the HDS. The SCS, Security Communication System, line allows the technician to bypass certain electrical safety protocols to perform diagnostics without interruptions. Following this, the AF sensor 4P connector needs to be disconnected, isolating the sensor for further testing. This sequence is essential as it leads technicians to check the electrical circuit between the AF sensor and the ECM. This step is necessary to eliminate variables related to the sensor itself, allowing for focused testing of the circuits. Once the AF sensor is disconnected, the next step takes you to the engine control module, ECM. Here, you need to disconnect the ECM-PCM connector C, designed with 49 pins. It's critical for diagnosing because it allows access to the circuits needing testing. After disconnecting, checking for continuity between the C29 terminal of the ECM, PCM, and body ground is essential. This action verifies that there is a complete electrical path, which is necessary for proper sensor function. If continuity exists, it indicates that there might be a short in the wire between the ECM, PCM, and the AF sensor, highlighting an area that requires repair. Should continuity not be found, further steps can be taken to explore potential issues within the ECM or other wiring problems, emphasizing the importance of this diagnostic step. After assessing the continuity, it's essential to reconnect the ECM-PCM connector C to resume normal operations of the vehicle's electrical systems. With the connector back in place, turn the ignition switch to the on position again. This step reactivates the diagnostic functions needed for the next measurement. It is crucial to measure the voltage at terminal number 1 of the AF sensor 4P connector, while maintaining a connection to body ground. The desired voltage measurement should be approximately 2.2 volts. If the voltage reading is significantly lower or absent, it indicates an issue with the AF sensor signal reaching the ECM. An accurate voltage reading confirms whether the circuit is operating within normal parameters. Therefore, obtaining this measurement is pivotal to diagnosing the root cause of the P2238 error code. Once the troubleshooting steps for DTC P2238 have been completed, a final verification step is crucial. Confirming that the repairs have effectively addressed the issue is imperative to ensure reliability. This involves rechecking all connections made during the diagnosis and ensuring that everything is secure and free from corrosion or damage. After confirming the repairs, it is essential to run the vehicle diagnostics again to see if the P2238 code has been resolved. Ideally, no fault codes should appear after the repairs have been made. This step helps ascertain that the vehicle is functioning optimally and without any underlying issues. Conducting this verification not only ensures peace of mind for both the technician and the vehicle owner, but enhances the overall reliability of the automotive system. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in averting future occurrences of DTC P2238. One of the best practices is to regularly inspect the air-fuel ratio AF sensor for any signs of wear or damage. Regular checks ensure that any potential issues can be identified before they lead to significant problems. Additionally, checking the integrity of all related wiring can help catch shorts or frays early on. Corrosion can also be an issue. So cleaning electrical connections helps maintain a strong signal pathway between the sensor and the engine control module, ECM. By adhering to these preventive measures, vehicle owners can avoid costly repairs and maintain better fuel efficiency, reducing emissions. Engaging in scheduled maintenance ensures that the vehicle remains in optimal condition for long-term driving. In conclusion, DTC P2238 signifies a low-voltage condition in the energy and factor circuit, crucial for maintaining engine performance and emissions efficiency. Addressing this trouble code requires a systematic approach involving multiple diagnostic steps to pinpoint the exact issue. By understanding the role of the energy and factor sensor and the potential causes of low voltage, technicians can effectively troubleshoot and repair the underlying problem. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance are essential to avoid recurrent issues, ensuring that the vehicle operates efficiently. Knowledge of this diagnostic process enhances the skills of automotive technicians and reinforces the importance of thorough diagnostics in modern automotive repair. By following these guidelines, vehicle owners can enhance both their engine's performance and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.